1. Android device open Bluetooth mode. 2. Link Android and iOS Bluetooth. 3. Open the official game package of iOS device. For now you can use PoGoskill to change the location. Why does my iOS Bluetooth mode connect successfully, but I can't change my location? You need to turn off location services and network connectivity on your iOS phone, wait 10s and turn it back on again. If you have used PoGoskill iOS app to modify the location of your iOS phone, you need to restore the location and privacy of your iOS device.